Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.
You don't like chili because...
Celebrate color and style at the Strand, Melbourne, a selection of some of Melbourne's finest boutiques tucked in beneath a facade of colorful glass fins. You'll find iconic local labels and international names specializing in everything from footwear to accessories and cutting-edge fashion, plus a range of cafes and eateries for mid-shopping replenishment. The Strand, Melbourne is a stylish shopping destination located in the heart of Melbourne's central business district. Known for its sleek architecture and contemporary vibe, it offers a mix of high-end fashion, specialty stores, and local designer boutiques, making it a hot spot for fashion enthusiasts. Visitors can explore a curated selection of Australian and international brands ranging from clothing and accessories to beauty products. Apart from shopping, the Strand also houses various cafes and eateries, providing a cozy spot to relax and recharge after a day of browsing. The location, just a short walk from major landmarks like Burke Street Mall, makes it a convenient stop for both locals and tourists. Please like, share, and subscribe. The Strand, Melbourne is a prominent shopping centre situated in the heart of Melbourne's central business district. Established in 1976 and redeveloped in 2014, it offers a curated mix of fashion and lifestyle retailers, including international brands like Acne Studios, COS, and Asics, as well as local boutiques such as Dinosaur Designs. The centre seamlessly connects to Emporium Melbourne and the General Post Office, enhancing its accessibility. With a net lettable area of 10,116 square meters and 199 car parks, the Strand, Melbourne serves as a key retail hub, catering to both local shoppers and visitors seeking a diverse shopping experience. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. With its modern design and blend of upscale and niche offerings, the Strand is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience Melbourne's vibrant fashion and retail scene. Whether you're after the latest trends or a unique local find, the Strand offers a sophisticated shopping experience in the city's bustling heart. Right in the heart of Melbourne's retail scene, the Strand Melbourne has cemented its place among the city's most iconic shopping destinations. A go-to for fashion and lifestyle lovers that offers a mix of fashion and lifestyle retailers among the city's most iconic laneways and arcades. The Strand seamlessly blends global brands with local style and is perhaps the most well-connected and highly exposed retail site in Melbourne. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.